Alright, so this is how a package from Darkstore looks like. I got my blue hair dye from Manic Panic from there. Let's see what else we got. We got a couple of stickers. That's really cool, really dope. Those are like, I'm not sure how you call them. You know, where you can put your glasses on so that the desk doesn't get dirty or wet. That's really cool. We got a chicken, we got a werewolf thingy. Couple of other things. Oh, we got a QR code here. We got a goth lady. And what's this? Weil Liebe fetzt. Because love is dope, basically. Nuclear rabbit. We got a lot of stems, my gosh. That looks like a rabbit from Danganronpa, wasn't? No, I think that was the beer, right? Outlaw Vision. I don't know this guy. Some self-promo going on. What else is this? Rock coffee. Man, we got so many stuff, really. This is amazing. I should order more often from that store. Alright, and here is the actual product. My battery is dying. I'm at 5% at the moment. It's quite hard doing this with one hand only. Ah, come on. Alright. So there is our hair dye. There it is. Let's see if I'm allergic to it. If I'm allergic to it, I have to come up with a plan B. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. And see you another time. Bye bye. Guys, it's not over yet. I missed something. Ta-da! We got bonbons. California fruits. I will definitely order from the store again. Oh my god, this is amazing. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.